Alright, you guys, update on the Mercedes Benz. There's a TSB for rattling noise after a restart for several seconds.
What's wrong with it?
Which one? I haven't checked it yet. So what I did on the Mercedes was I just walk up to it. Because I was getting a code for camshaft cylinder 1 would be this side. So this would be 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 4, 5, 6. So that one's the one. I switched it out with this one. Turned it back on, erased the codes. Waited till the check engine light came back on. It still came back on with the same code. So then after that, I exchanged this one with this one, and still did the same thing where this was, I was still getting the code for this side. So then I checked for the TSBs, and then this does have one for the rattling noise when you start up, when you turn on the car. It says to replace the timing chain, brackets, sprockets, oil, pressure galleys, or check valves. It's like a 21, 22 hour job. So see what the customers, I honestly would want to use the scope and check if the timing is actually off or if it's just the sprocket that's off. So we're gonna call the customer and see if he wants to further diagnose it, to see, give him exactly that it's that, even though the TSB says, that's what it's for. I actually just want to make sure it's that before we actually open it up and it's some other stuff, So call the customer and see what he says. Keep you guys updated.